Do you ever feel like you're your own worst enemy? Those moments when doubt creeps in, making you question your abilities, choices, or even your worth. You're not alone. Self doubt is a universal experience, but it doesn't have to define you. Believing in yourself is not just a motivational cliche, it's a scientifically backed approach to unleashing your true potential. Today, we'll explore the psychology behind self belief, practical strategies to overcome self doubt, and ways to protect your confidence from external and internal threats. How to believe in yourself. Understand the power of self belief. Self belief is a cornerstone of success and happiness. It determines how you perceive challenges and your ability to overcome them. Psychologists have found that individuals with high self efficacy, a strong belief in their abilities, are more likely to take calculated risks, persevere through obstacles, and achieve their goals. When you trust yourself, you signal to your brain that you are capable, which creates a positive feedback loop. Start by recognizing the immense influence self belief has on your thoughts, actions, and outcomes. Once you understand its significance, you can actively work to nurture and strengthen this belief. Set small, achievable goals. One of the best ways to build self-belief is by achieving small wins. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and self-doubt, while achievable goals create a sense of accomplishment. For example, if you're trying to exercise more, start with a 10-minute walk rather than aiming for a marathon. Each time you succeed in completing a goal, no matter how small, your brain releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical that reinforces your belief in your abilities. Over time, these small victories compound, giving you the confidence to tackle larger challenges. Reframe negative thoughts. Negative self-talk is one of the biggest barriers to self-belief. It often takes the form of, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed." To counter this, practice reframing these thoughts into positive affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I'll figure this out." Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, suggests that our thoughts directly influence our emotions and behaviors. By consciously replacing negative thoughts with empowering ones, you can break the cycle of doubt and foster a more positive self-image. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset. When you're surrounded by supportive and encouraging people, their positive energy can inspire and uplift you. Conversely, spending time with negative or critical individuals can reinforce self-doubt. Seek out relationships with people who believe in you and your potential. Engage in communities, whether online or offline, that align with your goals and values. These connections provide a sense of belonging and reinforce your self-belief. Celebrate your strengths. Many people focus on their weaknesses, overlooking their strengths. Take time to reflect on your achievements, skills, and talents. Write them down in a journal or create a success list that you can revisit during moments of doubt. Acknowledging your strengths not only boosts your confidence but also reminds you of your unique capabilities. Remember, no one is perfect, and embracing your strengths while accepting your imperfections is key to believing in yourself. So, how to overcome self-doubt? Identify the root cause. Self-doubt often originates from past experiences, societal pressures, or critical comments from others. To overcome it, you need to identify its source. Ask yourself questions like, when did I start doubting myself? Or, who or what has influenced this belief? By pinpointing the root cause, you can challenge its validity and reframe your perspective. Practice self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. When you make a mistake, instead of berating yourself, remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes. Studies show that self-compassion reduces anxiety and self-criticism, promoting a healthier sense of self-worth. Seek feedback constructively. Feedback is valuable, but it's essential to approach it constructively. Instead of taking criticism personally, view it as an opportunity for growth. Separate the critique from your self-worth and focus on actionable insights that can help you improve. Stop comparing yourself. Comparing yourself to others is a surefire way to fuel self-doubt. Everyone's journey is unique, and comparing your progress to someone else's is both unfair and unproductive. Focus on your goals and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Build emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Practices like mindfulness, journaling, and therapy can help you process emotions and maintain a balanced perspective. Resilience enables you to face challenges without succumbing to doubt. Set boundaries. Toxic relationships or environments can amplify self doubt. Protect your mental health by setting boundaries and limiting your exposure to negativity. Learn to say no to situations or people that drain your energy. How to protect yourself. Develop a support system. A strong support system provides encouragement and guidance during challenging times. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your potential. Practice daily gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. This positive outlook fosters self-belief and reduces feelings of inadequacy. Limit exposure to negativity. Whether it's negative people, media, or habits, limit your exposure to things that drain your energy or reinforce self-doubt. Monitor your self-talk. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself. Replace negative self-talk with encouraging and supportive statements.